Number 25, if ABC is a rhombus, AD is equal to 4x plus 2, DC is equal to 7x minus 13, and BD is equal to 34. We want to find AE. So we need to start figuring out where everything goes. So AD is 4x plus 2. I'm just going to highlight that so we know all those side lengths is 4x plus 2. Then we have DC is equal to 7x minus 13. And then we have BD is equal to 34. And our goal in this problem is to find AE. Well, our big thing here is we have a rhombus. When we have a rhombus, all sides are equal. So we know right away AD is going to be equal to DC. So we have 4x plus 2 is equal to 7x minus 13. So then from here, subtract 4x. I have 2 is equal to 3x minus 13. Add 13. Add 13. 15 equals 3x. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X equals 5. So now we need to figure out how to approach this problem. So we know it's 34. Half of 34 is going to be 16, I believe. 34 divided by 2. 17, actually. 17. So this is 17. 17. Then we need to figure out what these lengths are. I don't care which one you use. I would use AD just because 4x plus 2 is much nicer than 7x minus 13. So we have AD is equal to 4x plus 2. We know our x, we plug her on in. 4 times 5 plus 2, which is equal to 22. So we get 22 all around. And the goal is to find AE. So a nice visual we have here is that the angles in the middle formed are 90 degrees because the diagonals are perpendicular. So right here, that gives us 90 degrees. So I'm going to pull this over here so we can see it better. Let me also put this over here. A, E, D, 22, 17, right angle. We don't know what AE is. Just to even see it even better, it's the same colors. So we do have to use the Pythagorean theorem. I am given C in this problem. I am given C. So in this problem, it would look like this. We can say that's A. We can call this B. We have 17 squared plus B squared equals 22 squared. 17 squared gives you 289. Plus B squared equals 22 squared will be 484. Then from here, we have 289 plus B squared equals 484. Subtract 289, subtract 289, you get B squared is equal to 195. When you square root this, we get B is equal to, we have 13.96. That 6 will round the 9 up. So I think the best course of action here would just say 14.0. So it's about 14.0 if we round it to the nearest tenth. If we did the nearest hundredth, the hundredth answer would be B is equal to 13.96 because that 4 won't round that 6 up. So either of these answers would be acceptable. Alright? So either of those would be acceptable. Alright, and that is our length of AE. So again, AE is equal to one of these, depending on whatever the question's asking.